Hi, my name is Melissa Moats and I'm the founder of the Voice Actor Studio in Las Vegas. So things have been a little different for the last few months. We've been spending a little bit more time online, and you know what we learned? That we have friends all over the world. So what started as a small, tight-knit Las Vegas voiceover community has now become global. So the Voice Actor Studio has been a hands-on voiceover learning experience in person at the Voice Actor Studio in Las Vegas. Recently, we moved all of our workshops to 100% online. Now, as we're slowly reopening our doors here in Las Vegas, we've decided to keep our virtual platform totally accessible. May I now present to you hybrid voiceover workshops at the Voice Actor Studio. So what's a hybrid voiceover workshop? I'm really glad you asked. A hybrid voiceover workshop is where we combine the best of both worlds. Whether you want to come to the Voice Actor Studio for a hands-on, in-person voiceover workshop, or you want to participate with us globally from anywhere in the world, hey, we're all about making new friends. Join us. I like learning voice acting in person. I like learning virtually. Hybrid. We have combined the learning experience to find the best for everyone. Another really great thing about our hybrid option is, say you are about to attend a class in person and you feel like maybe you have allergies or a cold coming on, you're not sure. Okay, stay at home and attend virtually. We found a little extra time recently. Put it to good use, and we've opened the Voice Actor Studio shop. What can you find inside the Voice Actor Studio shop? Downloadable interactive PDFs to help you stay organized, to help your workflow, to help you with productivity. Maybe you're struggling with how to set up a simple home studio, or you're struggling with how to market yourself. We have ebooks that can help. While you're there, maybe you'd like to check out some of our merch.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey. Hey, I like your shirt.
Oh, thanks. Me too. Got online somewhere.
Huh.
See you later.
See ya. Bring your voiceover demo to life visually. We're now rolling out video voiceover demos. Last but certainly not least, now you can watch some of your favorite content anytime, anywhere on TVAS TV. Everything in our Voice Actor Studio shop is meant to help you build your voiceover skills and take your learning to the next level. Whether you're brand new to voice acting or you're a seasoned professional, we're here to help. Visit us at thevoiceactorstudio.com.